How, there's been a lot of changes with this hui, and we're down to the skeleton crew. What's it like to be here?
Well, he mea rangatira tēnei kua tai mai mātou ki te huihuinga. What does it feel like? Well, e pono ana ki te kaupapa, te iwi chairs. E pono ana kia tai mai, kia hono hono. So it feels exactly how we need it to be, James, in a changing space. So it's great. It's great. The thing about a skeleton crew, mātou te Māori, is even with a skeleton crew, that's at least 3,000 people. You see, so the way we understand the skeletal framework of Māori, well, it certainly isn't like anything else in the world. So we're great. We've got numbers galore.
What's your main kōrero, your main kaupapa that you want to get across, or for the other iwi leaders to hear from your iwi?
So, and my discussion will fit perfectly, I think, with all of the kōrero that's running even as at yesterday and today is mā te taitokarau, mā te hiku, mā te muri whenua I kōrero ki wā mātou nei hia. So we're connected, we're ready, we already proved, I think, from te taitokarau, this is our fourth COVID campaign, you might say, right? So we did everything we needed to do at the very beginning in 2020, and we've just persisted. So we're the ones we've been waiting for, essentially. We know what we want, we're ready to go, and we are entitled to succeed or even fail forward on our own terms as te taitokerau katoa.
And going through all the new normal that is COVID, all the changes through lockdown, through traffic lights to Zoom, hui, what has that done for us as a people?
Well, perversely, it's brought us together, and yet that's not a new truth for the world to know. When crises like this occur, people bond, connect, and even put aside certain issues that might have been there for probably a bit too long to understand what matters most, and that is our mokopuna, and that is our mokopuna rising, and that is our tupuna, and everything that we believe matters to us as Māori. So yes, we did combine, and I think we've done an immensely great and good job for Te Taitokero.
And I know for myself, witnessing it's been quite special. For yourself to witness and be part of true tino rangatira, what's it been like for you as a leader?
It feels like, James, like it's our time. This is the time, and it's the time to step forward, to push forward even, and yet when I say that, I get to say that based on all the efforts that have been so for many years before me in my time in this role. So it's ko tai te wā. It certainly feels that way, and it's certainly not a time that we're asking for permission to do much at all. We are just doing what works. And how do we know what works? Because whānau tell us. Hapu persist with us. Our iwi know. So we have a different connection, unlike anything that mainstream could ever offer. So I think this is our team to break down the structures that have failed us and rebuild the things that we know work for us.
How does it affect, like iwi Leaders Forum, not being able to do it face to face and having to do it remotely? How does it affect it?
There's nothing like a hongi, there's nothing like a good hug and to sit together. But you see, we are so adaptive, we've proven that over years we can adapt, and we've done that actually really, really well. Even in our hui, we still feel as close as we possibly can. There's no question, and so I think we've gone with it in the most perfect, typically Māori way, and done everything we can.
What's the most important, you think, moving forward for the iwi Leaders Forum on behalf of our people?
Persistence is omnipotent. So not take our foot off the pedal, just keep driving, keep insisting that no one understands our reality, or the best and the worst of it, and therefore the remedy, no one knows that better than Māori, and no one dare speak for us in that way, other than Māori. Our own leadership even.
Well, in the past it's been, I've heard criticisms of the iwi Leaders Forum that they don't speak for us. What's your message to our people that are sceptical of the role the iwi leaders play?
Yeah. kōrero ki o rangatira. Make your presence known. Sit down, have the kōrero, have the debate. I think all the iwi leaders, are certainly as far as I can tell, we're up for that debate. In that regard, I think we're really well connected. But if it's not enough, then tell us. Tell us. Me noho te i tātou ki te kōrero. Nā ka mohi o tātou.
Anything else you want to say?
It's a great day today being here with Ngāti Wai, just aroha ki a lātou a Ngāti Wai. They're hosting and holding the space for us, and the technology is so impressive. And well, at the next year, it will be hosted by Whangaroa. So, good to get in and really understand how this thing ticks behind the scenes. So, but mihi atu ki a koutou. Tēnā koutou katoa.
Thank you.